Welcome all. So now the next topic is star data network. So as we have already seen that sometimes registers are neither in series nor in parallel. Now this star data network can be a smaller portion of big network. So this star type of networks or delta type of networks are present in a big network. Then second point, these are used in the three-phase network, electrical filters and matching networks. So you might have already heard three-phase network. So there we use the star delta type of connections. Now there are two forms of star network. One shape is similar to your Y shape and other shape is similar to your T shape. So this is nothing but T and this is nothing but Y. So you should know that this is a star network. You must remember that this type of connection is nothing but star network. This is also the star network. So you should draw it 3-4 times so that you will remember star type of connection, star type of network. Now second is delta network. So this is of shape delta, okay, and this is of shape your pi. Symbol wise pi is like this. So it is similar to your pi type of shape. So this also you should remember that this is nothing but delta network. There are two forms, delta and pi. So this network and this network both are same. Here also this network and this network both are same. So this one is the star network. Y or T is nothing but the star network, and delta and pi are nothing but the delta network. Okay, so I hope that you will remember how to draw star network and how to draw delta network. Okay, okay, so we will see star network to delta network conversion. So we have one star network given. So this R1, R2, R3 represent the star network, and now we have to convert it into delta network. Okay, so this delta network I have shown with the dotted lines. So this RA, RB and RC represents the delta network, and this R1, R2 and R3 represents the star network. Okay, so conversion is very simple. Now this RA, first of all we will calculate the value of RA. So RA calculation is also simple. So it is nothing but near to RA, you can see we have R1 here, R2 here. So add these two, R1 plus R2 plus their product R1 into R2 divided by remaining element of star network is R3. So I can say sum R1 plus R2 plus product R1 into R2 divided by remaining. So sum plus product divided by remaining. Similarly, what is value of RB? So to the RB near elements are R1 and R3. So sum R1 plus R3 plus their product R1 into R3 divided by remaining is R2 or resistor of star network. So this is the formula for RB. Now RC. I want to calculate the value of RC, resistance present in the delta network. So nearby resistances are R3, R2. So R3 plus R2, R2 plus R3 plus their product R2 into R3 divided by remaining resistor in the star is R1. So this way star network is converted into delta network. So it will be more clear by the numerical. Okay. Question is transform the given star network to a delta network. So this is one star network given 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 20 ohm. These three are the resistance present in the star network. Easy technique is, as I have three terminals over here, 1, 2, 3. So what you can do, you should you should mark resistances from one network to another network, so that it becomes delta network. So here also you should draw one resistance like this and connect it to the terminal. Then you should try to draw one more resistance over here and connect it to the other terminal. So this way your delta network has been formed. Now we will calculate the value of this resistance of the delta network. Okay. So to this resistor, nearby resistance are this 5 ohm and 10 ohm. Okay. So add 5 plus 10 plus their product 5 into 10 divided by remaining resistor is 20. So this way I got the value of this resistance. So RA value is 5 plus 10 plus their product 5 into 10 divided by remaining is 20 present in the star network. So if you solve this, 5 plus 10 is 15. So this 0, this 0, this 0 get cancelled. So 5 by 2 is 2.5. So 15 plus 2.5 is 17.5 ohm. Now I will try to calculate this resistance value. Okay. So to this resistance, what are the nearby resistances? 5 and 20. So 5 plus 20 plus their product 5 into 20 divided by remaining resistor is 10 ohm. So sum plus product divided by remaining is 10 ohm. So 5 plus 20 is 25 plus 5 into 20 is 100 divided by 10 is 10. So 25 plus 10, answer is 35 ohm. Now next is calculation of RC. So I have to calculate RC value. Okay. So nearby resistances are 10 and 20. So do the addition, 10 plus 20 plus, now take the product, 10 into 20 divided by remaining value of resistance is 5. Okay. So 10 plus 10 into 20 divided by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. So 10 plus 20 plus 40, answer is 70 ohm. Okay, then last step is you should draw the circuit with resistances value. You should draw the delta network with resistance values. Now one more example. So one more star network is given and we have to convert it into delta network. So you can just draw one resistance, you can just join the terminal with resistances. This you can take this as a practice. Okay. Then one more resistance over here and just join it. Now if I want to calculate the resistance present in the delta network, this resistance, so sum 1 plus 2 plus product 1 into 2 divided by remaining is 5. So 3 plus 2 by 5, 2 by 5 means 0.4. So 3 plus 0.4, answer is 3.4. Same way you can calculate other resistance values. And last step is you should draw the delta network with resistance values. So remember star network. So this one is a star network and this one is also another form of star network, and this one is the delta network. This one is the delta network. Okay. Okay, so thank you.